Hi there, it's Faye from Face World. Are you a small business owner, a creator, or an artist who want to be able to edit and sign PDFs for free? And that's what we're talking about today, which is DocHub. I've been using DocHub for a number of years. Honestly, I don't remember the first time that I signed up for DocHub, but I've been a long time user. If you're starting out with your business and occasionally you find yourself needing to fill, edit, and sign a PDF document, DocHub is perfect for you. I use DocHub numerous times to review sponsorship documents, help friends apply for art grant, because with DocHub, you can fill and sign documents, annotate, highlight, and even add your logo. And the best part is that you can then sync everything with Google Drive or Dropbox. For example, recently helped a friend apply for an art grant. Together, we're able to fill the application using DocHub, left comment, signed it, and then send it off without having to save or download anything. Easy to use and perfect for freelancers, creators, artists, and nonprofits who need a simple and easy solution. In short, DocHub is that no-fuss way to help you manage your documents without jumping through hoops. You can now try it yourself using the link below.
Hey guys, so I am inside DocHub. To prove to you how long I have been using DocHub, I just scrolled all the way through to page 24, and I believe that I started using DocHub even before 2019. So under the dashboard, you're able to search for pretty much everything by document title, and in the filter, you can also sort by expiration, privacy, shared, and owned. Under inbox, you see the total of documentation. There are also very clear status marked for each and every one of these contracts. What you're still waiting on, what's been completed, as well as list of your contract that's been sent out. Now, the fourth one here, this is your actual document. So for me, there has been a lot of certifications, my consulting service agreements, and a lot of the documents are actually reusable as well, which is another reason why DocHub's templates and document management is so essential. Speaking of templates, right here, you're able to create reusable forms to distribute in bulk or fill out yourself. This public feature can be really useful too. You are able to distribute a template by sharing a public URL, and you can invite users, especially for remote teams. You're able to invite everybody onto a Zoom call or Google Meet, review the documents together clearly, and even sign simultaneously. Related to the template distribution, another feature I really like is actually being able to publish your documents so that it allows other users on any platforms to easily view them. Now, this feature, Fax Inbox, is really helpful. I do not recall this feature from many years ago, so this probably is something new that's going to help you. Because when it comes to signing documents and sharing documents, in addition to the digital format, sometimes people still request faxing them. Because I'm a caregiver for my mom, a lot of her medical documents and forms still need to be faxed to her doctors, to her care teams. And trust me, we have not had a fax machine in our home for years, probably well over a decade. So right here with just $9.99 a month, you're able to use your own personal fax number, send and receive fax easily by email. Let's take a look at the folders here. So instead of relying only on like Google Drive or Dropbox, you're able to create new folders here and manage your client A versus client B. And not only you're able to have all your documents organized neatly, you're able to, star the folder, add more people to access the folder and give them easy access such as read only, read and write, or admin. If somebody's an admin, that person is just like you, is able to make a lot of the changes, including inviting additional people to view and overwrite the document. Each of these folders actually has its unique link, which is neat. Let's take a look at the settings here. You can choose to have a public page or simply have them be private, upload photos and change your avatar, change your brand color, your billing information, and under organization, you can have more than one. I think this is super helpful for agencies when you work with multiple clients. Earlier, we talked about Google integration, and what you do is actually go under account, and here you can manage your integration with Google Drive. Next is security. You can change your password here, but you can also turn on two-factor authentication. I know that this is oftentimes a must, especially if you're running a professional business. There's a lot of important information is highly confidential. So having two-factor authentication is always a good idea. Under email, you're able to schedule reminders, expirations, and default signing order. And here you can manage your signatures. You can generate new ones. I personally don't mind the default version of it. Under signatures, this gets pretty fun. You can create your own signature and save your initials. I'm going to click on new. Here you have a variety of reasons to actually create a unique signature for yourself. You can use your phone as a signature pad. All you have to do is enter your phone number and click on send. You also have this drawing option here. I'm simply drawing with my mouse, which is kind of cool. You can also upload a signature. And last but not least, you can type it out and choose what's default here. And here you can also choose your initials. You have your labels. You can apply DocHub labels, documents, sign requests, or templates to organize your documents. Sometimes you run into issues, and the good news is DocHub does have a support team to help you out. So when you click on support tickets, you'll be taken to this page. You can see that I didn't run into that many issues, but when I did, such as in 2019, I accidentally created 2 dashboards. And how do I resolve that? Guys, that's really it. And I think it's really simple to use DocHub. If you're new to this is definitely my go-to, and it should be your first step as well. If you haven't tried the DocHub mobile app yet, you're in for a treat. DocHub makes it super easy to edit, sign, and share PDFs right from your phone or tablet. No more waiting to get back to your computer. You can fill out forms, add text, highlight, or even sign documents with your finger. Everything syncs seamlessly with your DocHub account, so your changes are always up to date, whether you're on mobile or desktop. It's perfect for anyone who needs to manage documents on the go, like myself, so whether you're working or studying or just staying organized, give the DocHub mobile app a try to see how much easier document editing can be anytime, anywhere. Please let me know what you think, what you like about DocHub, what you think they need to do to improve this application, how it's helped you as a creator, as a small business owner. Let me know in the comments below, and look forward to learning and growing with you here on YouTube.